Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious budget-friendly spatchcocked chicken meal. This recipe is perfect for a single income household and will feed a family of 6. Let's get started. So just dry the chicken with paper towel and place the chicken breast press the chicken breast side down on a cutting board, or I'm just using a plate here. And then you can use a knife or you can use scissors or anything you have. Just cut along just in the middle like that, on the middle of the backbone. And you can remove the backbone if you want, but for me I'm just gonna cut along the backbone. Make sure the knife is nice and sharp. Then make a small cut on each side of the breastbone to help the chicken to lay flat. Turn the chicken over and press down firmly on the to flatten it. So next we're gonna prepare the spices and the seasoning. Just use whatever spices you like. For me, I'm just using black pepper. So I'm just gonna season the chicken first with black pepper, salt, paprika, and chicken seasoning. So that's paprika there. And then I'll also add some oil, and then I'm just going to rub this mix all over the chicken. Make sure it's nice and coated evenly. And then I'll flip to the other side and use the same spices and just rub it all over the chicken. For me, just to add an extra juiciness to the chicken and flavor, I'm going to add more spices that I'm going to blend in a blender. So now just rubbing. So while this is going, I'm just going to preheat my oven to about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Or you can use just a normal oven. You can use just like 180 degrees to 200 degrees normal oven. But for me, I'm using the Fahrenheit oven. So make sure that everything is rubbed in. So I'm just gonna place the chicken in an oven, in a baking tray, oven baking tray. So now for my additional spices, I'll show you what I'm going to add. So in a blender, I'm just adding one small onion that I've cut into small pieces. And then I'm adding half a capsicum, red capsicum. And also I'm just adding pepper and garlic, black pepper. So I've added about 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, and then paprika and black pepper. And then this is chicken seasoning, and then chicken seasoning, 2 tablespoons of chicken seasoning. I'm adding a little bit of oil and extra water just to help with the grinding. So now in a blender, I'm going to blend this together. So now I'm just pouring that mixture on top of the chicken and spread it using a brush. So this will help to maintain, a lot of flavor on my chicken, and also it's going to be nice and moist. So just spread it around and let's see how this will turn out. So I'll place this in the oven and then start baking the chicken for about 45 to 60 minutes until then the chicken is nice and cooked. So this is wow, this is how the chicken looks in the oven. It looks great, and this is what I like. This is the color that I like. So guys, just let the chicken rest for a few minutes before serving it. You can serve it with salad or whatever you like, but this is how the chicken looks, guys. Nice and delicious and cheap and budget friendly. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.